Nail fungus and home remedies. Before we begin, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell to be updated to future health-related videos. Now let's start. With the push towards getting in better physical shape capturing the minds and attention of so many people, it is also no wonder that there is a substantial increase in the amount of nail fungus going around as well. Trying to rid yourself of these nasty little infection might seem like a total drag, but the hassle of leaving the infection to clear up on its own is far worse. Looking at a fungus-infected nail is certainly not a pretty sight and should be avoided as much as possible. Many people really do not realize just how easy it is to get a nail fungus infection. If you walk across a damp surface, such as a gym, swimming pool, public shower or anything else similar, you are running a huge risk. This is part of why so many people are finding an increase in the fungus. With a push towards getting in shape, there is no doubt that the amount of fungus being passed around in locker rooms and gyms is increasing substantially. In order to fight this nasty little infection, there are plenty of different home remedies that you can try out. The first choice is looking to use tea tree oil. This would be easy to do but is not for certain the best choice. If you are using tea tree oil, it is extremely easy to use. You simply apply it onto the nail that is infected. It will help to not only kill the fungus, but it will also serve to help clean the nail as well. Another option that you have to look at is apple cider vinegar and combine this together with warm water. Using this to soak the infected nail is great for helping to clear up the infection and remove all of the fungus. You should always use warm water though, in order not to make it too uncomfortable to soak for a while. Olive oil and also oregano oil mixed together makes a great antiseptic as well as antifungal treatment. Dropping just a couple of drops onto the nail itself will work quickly to help clean up the infection. However, this is not always readily available in the house and you might need to take some time to venture to a health food store in order to pick this up. Other options include looking around online to order the oils needed. Grapefruit seed extract is also extremely popular. If you have grapefruit extract, it is best to spray it onto the infected nail at least twice a day to clear up the infection. This is extremely easy to do, and can produce results very quickly. Again, this will cause you to need to purchase the extract, which might require a trip to the health store to purchase the extract. Regardless of the method that you choose, it is extremely important to keep the feet as dry as possible. Allowing the feet to remain wet can allow the infection to spread further. This is not the result that you are looking for at all. Thoroughly drying the feet after any home remedy treatment will allow you to clear up the infection quickly, while still preventing the fungus from spreading. You should also avoid walking barefoot in high-risk areas as well to further prevent the possibility of contracting the fungus. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.